and it's only going to start to increase more and more as we get into the beginning of the week. Look at these temperatures out there. Just look at them. We are already in the lower 90s across the whole entire Detroit metro area. Compared to this time yesterday, we're anywhere from 6 degrees to almost 15 degrees cooler. And we do see those showers and storms starting to march their way on to the east here. We remain dry through the rest of this evening and the beginning of tonight. Here is our radar. You can see what I'm talking about. Just some scattered showers here from Detroit southward, but you head north of I-96 here. There's some heavier shower and maybe even a rumble thunder possible if you head north of that corridor. Here's our radar. We do have some showers south of 94 here in Monroe as well as in Lenawee County. Some heavier precipitation can be seen just south of Battle Creek. We zoom out a little bit to look at what's going on across the state. 70 once again in Detroit, 73 in Saginaw. Look at this, only temperatures in the 60s as we head into the Upper Peninsula. Look at these heat indexes in the Detroit area. Already 102 for our heat index in Detroit, 105 in Monroe. This is just very dangerous. This is nothing to be messing around with. Tomorrow it's going to be another pleasant day out there with even more sunshine. And our next chance of rain does not come until Saturday. If you're heading to the Tigers game, 77 degrees is what we're expecting for a temperature at 7:08 against the White Sox here. Most of the heavier precipitation and storms are to our south, just the southeast of Toledo, but we do have some more activity that we're watching just the east of Battle Creek, as well as into the southwestern part of the state here. All this is moving on to the east, so please stay tuned to WXYZ for any updated information. So we had a little bit of a bumpy ride this morning. We had some showers, even a rumble thunder in some places, and unfortunately this afternoon it looks to be the same. Some more showers and storms. Some on the strong side are expected again this afternoon, with the stronger storms expected to have some gusty winds and maybe some hail. But this weekend looks a lot better, and I'll show you what's going on in just a few minutes. Currently, temperatures across the region are pretty cool for this time of the year. Only 70 in Detroit, 72 in Monroe, only 67 right now in Ann Arbor. We zoom out a little bit to look at what's going on across the state. 70 once again in Detroit, 73 in Saginaw. Look at this, only temperatures in the 60s as we head into the Upper Peninsula. So let's look at the radar right now. I'll show you what's going on. We're not too bad, just a few showers across Wayne County as well as the northern part of Monroe County. Most of the heavier precipitation and storms are to our south, just the southeast of Toledo, but we do have some more activity that we're watching just the east of Battle Creek, as well as into the southwestern part of the state here. All this is moving on to the east, so please stay tuned to WXYZ for any updated information. Any storms that do develop today have a pretty high risk for some winds. We have a 4 here on our first alert storm threats. 3s here for hail as well as some lightning, and we are not ruling out some flooding either, so make sure that you are careful if any of these storms do move your way. Here is our future cast though. Some storms in our region right now, those are going to be moving off to the east-southeast. Later on this evening around 5 or 6 we could see some more development. Once again, some of those storms could be on the strong side. We do dry out though overnight with just some clouds around the region, but as we get into tomorrow, we will stay dry. However, we do have a slight chance for a storm as we get into tomorrow afternoon. Today, though, 81 degrees. Once again, we do have some storms expected later on this afternoon. Some of those could be on the strong side. Tonight, we cool down to 64 degrees. The storms will be ending early, so overnight, for the most part, we will be remaining dry. 7-day forecast does not look too bad once we get past Friday here. A pretty good chance for storms once again today. Tomorrow, just a slight chance of a shower, maybe a rumble of thunder, better chance on Friday. But look at this weekend here. Very, very pleasant. A little bit on the cool side, but plenty of sunshine. The sun will be around on Monday with temperatures in the upper 70s, and a slight chance of a storm does return by Tuesday. Well, we do have some blue skies out there, and they'll be around for a little bit, but unfortunately those clouds are going to be moving through later on this afternoon, and another chance of some showers and storms are possible. And for the weekend, it's going to be nice but it's going to be cool, and I'll show you what's going on in just a second. Here's our radar. We do have some showers south of 94 here in Monroe as well as into Lenawee County. Some heavier precipitation can be seen just south of Battle Creek, and I can zoom in a little bit to show you what's going on in some of these regions. Just impacting Adrian right now. This is all moving to the southeast, as well as some heavier precipitation just to south of Battle Creek. Once again, that's also moving on to the southeast. Temperature-wise, we're pretty cool out there. Upper 60s to lower 70s for most of us. 72 in Monroe, 73 in Detroit, 69 in Ann Arbor. We had a little bit further north. There's a little bit more sunshine right now. 75 in Port Huron. Currently at Metro, it's 73 degrees. We have a pretty gusty wind out of the southwest at 22 miles per hour. Humidity's at 59%, dew point's at 58, so it's not too bad out there with humidity, but expect that to start to increase a little bit as we get later on into this afternoon. Almanac-wise, we're at 73 so far today. That's 10 degrees below average. Our record was set back in 1988 with a temperature of 99 degrees, so pretty sultry. We're not even going to be close today. Looking at what's going on in our radar view, in our wider radar view, those showers are starting to move on to the southeast, impacting areas in northern Indiana as well as into Ohio. There's going to be a cold front that's going to be moving on through later on this afternoon. That could be sparking some shower and storm activity, and it's going to be a little bit cooler behind that front, and that cooler air will be moving through for our weekend. 73 in Detroit, only 63 in Alpena, 60s behind that cold front. This cooler air is going to be moving our way, and fortunately it's not going to be that cool. We'll be staying in the 70s for our weekend. Futurecast is showing us to be drying out a little bit for the afternoon, but then as we get into the evening hours, we could see some more shower activity as well as some stronger storms possible. We dry out as we get into the overnight hours, and we could see a shower as we get near after daybreak, but then as we get into tomorrow afternoon, most of the moisture will be staying to our south, and we could have a pretty nice day tomorrow as we get into tomorrow afternoon. If you're heading to the Tigers game, 77 degrees is what we're expecting for a temperature at 7:08 against the White Sox here. Chance of some showers and storms are possible. And overall today, 78 degrees with those clouds on the increase, unfortunately, and those rain and thunderstorm chances will be increasing as well. We get into the lower 60s tonight with some light showers remaining as we get into the overnight hours. And we do have a slight chance for a shower or storm early tomorrow morning, but then we will dry out for the afternoon. So it should be a pretty nice day for the second half of our Saturday. Sunday looks dry as well as Monday, but those chances of showers and storms will be coming back for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with temperatures remaining below average in the upper 70s.